In this video, we review Petal One No Annual Fee Visa Credit Card. Have you used Petal One No Annual Fee Visa Credit Card before? What was your experience? Leave your Petal One No Annual Fee Visa Credit Card review in the comments section below. The Petal One No Annual Fee Visa Credit Card is a popular choice for individuals looking to build or rebuild their credit, offering accessibility without the burden of annual fees. Notably, it stands out because it evaluates applicants using a broader algorithm that considers banking history alongside traditional credit scores. This innovative approach opens doors for those with limited or no credit history, a unique feature in the credit card market. One of the card's key advantages is its accessibility. It allows individuals with fair credit, FICO scores starting at 580, or those without a credit history to apply. The Petal One card charges no annual fee or foreign transaction fees, making it budget-friendly for domestic and international users. Credit limits range from $300 to $5,000, with the potential for increases after 6 months of responsible use. Additionally, it reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, helping users build or improve their credit profiles over time. The Petal One offers cashback rewards between 2% and 10%, but only at select merchants. While this can be appealing, the limitations on where cashback can be earned reduce its overall value compared to cards offering more universal rewards. The Petal mobile app is another strong point, providing tools to track spending, monitor credit scores, and set up budgets. The app enhances financial literacy and offers convenience, particularly for users aiming to manage their finances more effectively. However, the Petal One card has notable downsides. Its variable APR ranges from 29.24% to 34.24%, which is significantly higher than the industry average. This makes carrying a balance costly, emphasizing the importance of paying off charges in full each month. While the card has no annual fee, it imposes penalties like late fees of up to $40 and return payment fees of $29. Additionally, the limited cashback program may not justify the card for those seeking broader reward options. The lack of an introductory APR or welcome bonuses further diminishes its competitive appeal. Another drawback lies in the opacity of its cashback rewards. Eligible merchants are only viewable through the Petal app, making it difficult for potential applicants to assess the card's utility before applying. Users have also expressed frustration with customer support and the occasional ambiguity around terms and benefits, which may hinder the overall experience. For those comparing the Petal One to alternatives, it may fall short against cards like the Discover It Secured, which offers broader cashback rewards and a first-year cashback match, or the Capital One Platinum Secured, which features competitive benefits for credit building. However, the Petal One is a strong contender for individuals focused on credit improvement without the upfront costs of a secured credit card deposit. Overall, the Petal One No Annual Fee Visa Credit Card is an innovative and accessible option for building credit. Its fee-free structure and tools for financial management make it attractive to specific users, but high interest rates and a restrictive rewards program may limit its appeal for those seeking greater flexibility and value. This card works best for disciplined users who prioritize building their credit and can consistently pay off their balances in full.